This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to look problems and edges. If you haven't watched ratios topic, go and watch that video and come back here because ratio is the basic for problems and edges. Anyway, we'll give an intro here and we'll start. Let's begin. So, in the ratio class, I told you that AX, BX ratio is nothing but comparing two quantities. That is what I told. Here, comparing two persons' ages or three persons' ages, more than three persons' ages, comparing their ages in ratio. Okay, AX, BX, sum means sum of their ages. Here, it's all based on ages. So, sum of their ages is A plus B into X. Difference means A minus B into X. Product means AB X square. When you product these two, you will get AB X square. Increase means if you are increasing certain ages. For example, this year ratio of two persons age is something 5:6. After 10 years, it will become 6:7. So the change, that increase. So that increase is AX plus A divided by BX plus A means there will be the change in ratio C by D. Next, decrease, if you are looking back the ages, so you are in present and you are looking back in the past means that is decrease. So AX minus percentage minus the number of years, BX minus A is equal C by D. And then inverse is AX is to BX, which is automatically inverse BX is to AX. Okay, let's get into the problem. There is nothing difficult if you know how to use ratio, then it's over. Okay, let's get into the first problem. The total age of Rahul, Pandya and Varun is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2:3:4. What is the present age of Varun? There are three members are there. Their total ages are 93 years at present. So Rahul, Pandya and Varun. So their total ages is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2:3:4. Okay, listen. 10 years ago, what was their total? So, might be 30 less than the present total, right? Because each one 10 years will be reduced. So, 93 for reducing 10, Rahul reducing 10 to Pandya and reducing 10 to Varun, you will get 63. So, the ratio value is 2x, 3x, 4x is together, which is 63 because we are reducing 10 in each all the three members. Okay, what you will get? We'll write it down. So present total is 93 years. Past 10 years ago. Total might be 63 years because subtracting 30, each one reduced by 10 years. So their age total might be 63 years. When you split 63 into 2:3:4, you will find out the ages of Rahul, Pandya and Varun 10 years ago. Using that, you could find the present age. Okay, split it. So total 63 is nothing but 2x, 3x plus 4x. 2x plus 3x, 5x, 5x plus 4x, 9x. 9x is equal 63. Now the question is to find the age of Varun. What is age of Varun? 4x. What is 4x is what you have to find out. You know that unknown known, or else you can find out x value and then find 4x. So unknown known, the unknown is 4x is what I have to find. I know the value for 9x, which is 63. Cancelling this, you will get how many times of 9 is there in 63? 7 times of 9. 4 into 7, 28. So the age of Varun was 28 10 years ago. So Varun's age, this is where we have split it. So Varun's age is 28 years past. At present, his age is 28 plus 10 years, 38 years. Okay, are you clear? Done. Next one. 5 years ago, Sanjay's age was 25. Vimal's present age is 30. What is the total sum of their ages 5 years later? 5 years ago, Sanjay's age was 25. What is his present age? 5 years ago, your age is 25. Means what is your present age? 30. Okay. Vimal's present age is 30. Vimal's present age is 30. What is the total sum of their ages 5 years later? After 5 years, what is their total? So, take it down. So, Sanjay's present age is 25 plus 5 because 5 years back his age was 25. Now his age is 30. And Vimal's present age is 30. After 5 years later, both of their age will be Sanjay is 35 as well as Vimal is also 35. What is their sum? Sum is equal 35 plus 35, 70 years. Sum of their ages after 5 years will be 70 years. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Virat's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Virat? So, Virat's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is his percentage? Okay, first take percentage as x. Virat's age after 15 years, which means x plus 15 is equal to 5 times of his age 5 years back. What is his age 5 years back? Percentage is I have considered it as x. 5 years back, x minus 5. So 5 times of x minus 5. Because 5 times of his age 5 years back. This is 5 years back, which is 5 times. 5 times means 5 times you have to multiply the age 5 years back, which is equal to x plus 15. So done. If you solve, you will get x value. That is the percentage of Virat. Solve this. So when you take x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. When you take 25 this side and x this side, you will get 40 here. 15 plus 25, 40. 5x minus x is 4x. 4x is equal to 40. What is x? X equal to 10. So, percentage of Virat is 10 years. That's it. Are you clear? First of all, you have to understand the question and you should know how to take and write in the form of x. Okay, you have to assume a value. From that assumption, you can write an equation. If you can write this equation, then answer is in one step. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Asha is now 2 years older than Merlin. In 15 years, Asha's age will be 2 years more than twice Merlin's age now. How old will be Asha in 8 years? So, Asha is now 2 years older than Merlin. So, we don't know the age of any one of the person. So, we have to assume X with some other person's age. Okay, I am assuming Asha is now 2 years older than Merlin. So, Asha is there and Merlin is there. So, Asha's age is 2 years older, 2 years more than Merlin's age. So, I have to consider Merlin's age as x and Asha's age as x plus 2. Am I right? Done. Next, first step over. In 15 years, Asha's age will be 2 years more than twice Merlin's age now. What is Merlin's age now? X. Twice Merlin's age means 2x. 2 years more than means what you have to do? You have to add 2 with Merlin's age. So you have to equate it. After 15 years, what is Asha's age will be? X plus 2 plus 15. X plus 2 is present age of Asha. After 15 years, x plus 2 plus 15, which is nothing but x plus 17 is the age of Asha after 15 years, which is 2 years, more than Merlin's, listen here, will be 2 years more than twice Merlin's age. Now, twice Merlin's age, 2x. This is 2 years more means you have to reduce 2 here, or else you have to add 2 here. Anything will be the same. So if you subtract 2 here, that will also equal, or else you can add 2 here to make it equal. That's it. You have found the equation. If you solve, you will get the x value, that is Merlin's value, and then Asha's value is x plus 2. And then the question is, how old will be Asha in 8 years? In 8 years. That is what we have to solve. So solve this. 2x, if you take x there and then 2 here, you will get 2x is equal 15. So the answer is x is equal 15. What is the present age of Merlin? Merlin's present age is 15. What is Asha's percentage? X is 15 means x plus 2, 17. Asha's age will be in 8 years. You have to add 8 more years with this. So if you add 8 with 17, you will get 25. 17 plus 8 is equal 25. Asha's age will be 25 after 8 years. Currently, she is at 17. Okay.